Hello, I'm Shirija and I work for Telluris Biotech India Private Limited. I'm going to talk about nematodes. Nematodes are the most abundant group of multicellular organisms present on Earth in terms of number of individuals. Plant parasitic nematodes causes significant crop damage globally and causes a serious yield loss in a wide range of crops throughout the world. Of the most important plant parasitic nematodes, the most successful ones are the sedentary groups, which establish a permanent feeding site within the plant host and obtain nutrients while completing their life cycles. Root knot nematode, cyst nematodes, and lesion nematodes are the most economically and scientifically important nematodes due to their intricate relationship with the host plant, wide host range, egg-laying capacity, and the level of damage ensued by the infection. All plant parasitic nematodes have a relatively simple life cycle consisting of 6 stages: an egg, 4 juvenile stages, and an adult. Development of the first stage juvenile occurs within the egg. The second stage juvenile hatches out of the egg to find and infect the plant roots. A thin layer of water is required by the nematode for its movement and host finding. Young juveniles of plant parasitic nematodes like root knot nematodes and potato cyst nematode invade into the plant root system and establish a permanent feeding site within the root. The second stage juvenile then molts 3 times to develop into an adult male or female. For all species of root knot nematodes, nearly 200 to 400 eggs are produced per female. The life cycle of nematodes completes within 4 to 8 weeks depending upon the temperature. Nematode development is generally most rapid within an optimal soil temperature range of 25 to 32 degrees Celsius. The common species of root knot nematodes have a wide host range. Most important fruits, vegetables, and ornamental crops are good hosts for these nematodes, and the crops including are tomato, brinjal, potato, okra, guava, pomegranate, strawberry, egg fruit, capsicum, carnations, etc. Economically important nematodes like root knot nematodes and potato cyst nematodes do not show any specific above ground symptoms. Affected plants have an unthrifty appearance and often show symptoms like stunting, wilting, or chlorosis. Symptoms are particularly severe when nematodes infest the plant soon after planting. Symptoms of root knot nematodes are quite distinctive below ground. Infested roots are distorted and often show round or irregular galls. The infested root portions often invite other soil-borne pathogens like bacteria, fungi, and viruses and often lead to plant mortality. We at Telluris Biotech India Private Limited have developed a new biomolecule using patented peptide against plant parasitic nematodes. Telluris peptide is an innovative bionematicide that provides long-lasting protection against plant parasitic nematodes. Our products promote plant growth and development, increasing plant yield as well.